Yo, 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 this is Sol, also known as SPL Gum, also known as Spatial Gum, also known as Grunt, your hardest team skull Grunt, and this is Pokemon Rumble Rush. Guys, we have defeated Super Boss number 31, finally, after getting this Fire Blast. Magmar, we caught him in a Charizard floating balloon, awesome. And now we're just gonna go on ahead with the next super boss. Where the heck is my sort by move type? Ground, Tyrant, and Tyrant. Tyrant giving him a magnitude gear probably. Or I don't know if we will give him another summon gear. But let's just try this first. Super boss number 32, Blaziken. I'm just experimenting first, guys. Ooh, another summon, which is good. Oh, wait. I don't think this will... Oh. Charging towards me. I tried to run. I switched to Buzzwole because Buzzwole is tankier than the others. Going back to... Where the heck? Why isn't he showing up? Why am I sorting by base CP anyway? Oh boy. We have to switch. Let's put our shield breaker. Where the heck is he? Shield breaker. Break. Going back to Tyrant. This isn't enough, guys. But we're just gonna try. What if we charge? Wow, that's not enough at all. Okay. Time to re-strategize. Changing our summon gear to probably... I have no idea. Let's stun him. Or not. Or psychic. Or not. Wait. He's a fire type. Fire type. Flying. Weak to flying. Weak to flying. Awesome. Weak to water. Weak to psychic, guys. I'm nearing my house, so I'm gonna pause this. Give me a few seconds. BRB. Yo, guys. I am back. And with that said, I am kind of confused as to how to do this. I do not want to take so many tries because I think this is not that tough compared to the other one earlier. I'm not sure, guys. Just guessing. Kind of stunned him. I'm not sure if that's a good idea. Because the next thing he'll do is supposedly summon another... But he didn't summon now. And I think that was a bad idea. Break destroys immediately the shield. Yeah. He skipped the summon. This is a bad sign. That's just suicide. Or let's just return to Balloon. I think I used our summon gear a bit too early. So with that said, I'll wait until he summons his underlings. Perfect. Now's the time. There you go. We're seeing results, guys. But he shields. I switch. Fighting type. Brick break. Destroy shield. Destroy. Switch back to earthquake. You know, we can probably use hyper. Hydro pump. I got a 2-star or 2-slot hydro pump earlier. That's something we can also consider. I'm switching to avoid that hit with Giga Impact. Because Buzzwole is kind of tanky. He can... Wow! What did I do? That was stupid. That was stupid, guys. I am so sorry. And again. Wait for him. Summon. This time I won't use it immediately. Now use it. Perfect timing. Will you charge towards me? Yes. You skip the shield, you charge towards me, I switch immediately. Buzzwole, escape that! Shield, okay. I switch back to our Brick Break. I destroy your shield, switch back to Earthquake. I'm not sure if it's the perfect move, guys, but we're trying. We're experimenting. Are you gonna summon now? You're supposed to summon now, right? Yes, perfect. You summon. I hope you summon again, but you use a shield. I made a mistake. I should have. And because of that mistake, we are going to lose here. Very, very close though. Whoa! Very close, guys. We actually won. We actually won. Okay. That was unexpected. We won that, guys. I'm happy. That was Super Boss number 32. Ha! That was close. And with that said, Earthquake saves the day. Guys, don't forget Brick Break. And I think one more move, I forgot what move that is. If you know the move, please tell me. I'm not sure if it's Detect. But I'm not sure. I'm really not sure about the move. So if you know what move destroys shields immediately, comment it down below. But those moves are very, very vital for our Super Boss fights right now. And with that said, thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. In case you did, give this a thumbs up. Comment your thoughts, share this with your friends, subscribe if you haven't. Super Bosses number 33 and 34 are weak to fire type. I'm excited to use our newly acquired Magmar with these two Super Bosses. Rawr.